This is the second attempt to offer the bolt to the parrot. Let's see if she still wants it. Oh, she does. She's still having a go at it. She finds that interesting.
Well, she's collecting Jack in 20 minutes for school. So I don't know if you want to bring something over and then you can just have something to eat.
It's annoying her because she thinks it might be food.
Why don't you get like a burger from the shop and they can have like a burger each from the shop or something to eat and play around or watch TV while showing her head on. Me?
She's absolutely fascinated by it. She's beating herself around the beak with it now.
I don't know. I'm wrapping up items at the moment. I've got another 12 to wrap up. What's that? Right. Negative balance.
Well, it's certainly entertaining her. She can't get into it at all. She'll get frustrated in a minute and start to beat herself with it or something.
Keep talking. Have you paid for it yet?
There he goes.
No.
I still think there's a way into it. This has probably been the highlight of her week. I've never given her a bolt before, and she seems to be really interested in it. Yes, it's certainly something. Parrots like shiny things, and this is shiny, and it's really.
Well, you can always do that tomorrow, and
really challenging her.
Frizz up and everything, and dry out. So
her eyes are wide open, showing that she's very attentive, but also slightly wary. Probably slightly worried because I'm holding the camera too close. She doesn't normally like that. Saw me scratching myself then. Yes, she's still going at it though. If she gets tired or fed up with it, she'll throw it down. Or she'll lose her temper. She'll.
I see what you mean in your eBay.
Notice how
2.87. Hold on. If I click on resolve negative balance.
How she's able to hold it in such a amazingly.
Oh, okay. Let me quickly go onto the account.
Agile way. Any moment she's going to get really angry and throw it. She will do. She's had it for a while now. She's beaten herself on the beak with it so far. It's beginning to frustrate her, but well, no, she's trying to get into it. She thinks she can get into it. Come on, girl.
Oh, it's so annoying. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to quickly go on to the dispute page quickly. I'll quickly sort out here.
Well, I think she's going to be here for a while now. She's
so what are your thoughts then? Do you want to go to...
She's making no effort to throw it down. We've been holding this camera now for nearly 5 minutes.
Are you going to the house or would you rather not?
Well, I think I've got quite a lot of things to do.
I think we're going to call
it.
It
Unfortunately, payment was declined by the card issuer.
She's got more patience than I have. I'm holding the camera waiting for her to do something.
It says your payment was declined by the card issuer.
I know she's getting angry now. What's she doing now?
Do you have money in your bank account?
Look at the how she's able to control things with that claw. It's just like a human hand.
Okay, last thing, then we should do this.
Amazing agility and control.
So,
And that
Mum's
beak.
going to be in about 10 minutes collecting Jack.
She knows exactly where to put it.
So
And that beak is also a lot more sensitive than you think.
You probably get there around 12:15 if you
You think it's like a fingernail, just
and you probably start your hair around
dry,
12:30,
hardened
washing it and everything. And then half an hour
piece
on
of
the 1 o'clock.
horn.
Another half an hour.
But it
half
isn't.
1.
The parrot can detect
Yeah.
moisture on the side of her beak. If you lick your finger and touch her beak, she knows it's been moistened. So it's that beak is not a piece of dead, insensitive
Yes.
horn. It's a part of the living creature, and one wonders when animals are dehorned how much they suffer. You don't know, or how much their sensory input is inhibited. Right, this has been going on now for 6 minutes now, and I've got work to do, so I can't stay here all day. I think I'm going to have to stop the video in a moment. Well, what are you doing, Birdie? Now, of course, if I was to distract her, she'd probably just drop it. Whilst it's her main thing of interest, she's whoa, and it's down. She got too excited and dropped it. Well, there we go. That's Akita, the African grey parrot. She whistles rather than talks. She does talk a little bit, but she prefers to whistle. And even the whistling and the talking is normally when she's not being watched. But she's an amazing whistler. And she'll learn many tunes.
Joey? Joe! Joseph?
Well, she's hearing background noises and responding.